Today we have set the course for the future. Through the joint project between ZF and Wolfspeed, we are making European industry more innovatively independent, creating stable supply chains and moderating the impact on employment of the changes to e-mobility. In short, we are shaping the transformation with short distances, bundled know-how, and a close alliance with political decision makers.
Today is a good day for Europe and the Saarland because it's here that chips to make electric cars better will soon be created, just like wind turbines or charging stations. We aim to have the world's largest factory alongside a highly innovative R&D department for the next generation of silicon carbide semiconductors. With this, we have created, together with Wolfspeed, a huge leap in innovation and secure supply chains for semiconductors in the center of Europe.